What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable Google Feed on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, press and hold on an empty space on your home screen and then click on the settings icon. Now click on more and then click on the second option. Now if you want to disable Google Feed, then select none or app vault, and after selecting this, the Google Feed from your screen will be disabled. So you can see there is no extra screen. Now if you want to enable that Google Feed, then from here select Google Discover. Now after selecting this option, an extra screen will be added to your home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable Google Feed on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.